Welcome to Elegant Kitchen and Bath Concepts. I'm excited to launch this new series exploring everything you need to know about creating beautiful, functional kitchens and bathrooms. Today, we're starting with choosing the best custom kitchen cabinets.
Custom cabinets are a significant investment, right?
Absolutely. Cabinets make up 40 to 50% of your kitchen remodeling budget and dramatically impact functionality and aesthetics. Making the right choice means a kitchen you'll love for decades.
Let's give listeners a comprehensive checklist. Where should they start?
Start with construction quality. Ask about cabinet box construction. The best custom cabinets use all plywood construction with solid wood face frames. Avoid particle board or MDF in the cabinet box.
What's the difference in durability?
Plywood holds screws better, resists moisture, and maintains structural integrity over decades. Particle board swells with moisture, screws pull out easily, and cabinets sag over time.
Next on the checklist?
Door construction and style. Look at joinery methods. Dovetail joints are stronger than staples or dowels. Examine finish quality. Hand-applied stains and multiple finish coats create depth and protection.
What about hardware?
Critical checklist item. Drawer boxes should be solid wood dovetail construction. Full extension drawer slides allow you to access everything. Soft close hinges and slides extend cabinet life by preventing slamming damage.
Interior organization options.
This is where custom cabinets shine. Pull-out shelving, lazy Susans, spice rack organizers, tray dividers, appliance garages. Think about how you actually use your kitchen. Do you bake? You need deep drawers for baking sheets. Do you cook from scratch? You need pantry organization.
What about finish and color?
Working with experienced designers helps tremendously. Consider your home's overall style. Traditional homes often look best with raised panel doors and classic stains. Contemporary homes might call for flat panel doors with painted finishes.
Should they consider trends?
Balance timeless design with personal preference. White and gray cabinets are popular, but if you genuinely love them, they'll serve you well for decades. If you're choosing gray only because it's trendy, you might regret it in 5 years.
Storage configuration.
Think about your specific storage needs. Base cabinets, wall cabinets, tall pantry cabinets, corner solutions. Custom cabinets should be customized to your life.
What about manufacturer's reputation?
Essential checklist item. Research the cabinet manufacturer. Quality manufacturers offer limited lifetime warranties on cabinet boxes and substantial warranties on finishes and hardware. If the warranty is only 1 or 2 years, that tells you about their confidence.
What questions should people ask?
Ask, what cabinet construction do you use? Can I see samples? What's the lead time? What warranty comes with these cabinets? Can you provide references? Do you offer 3D design visualizations?
That visualization is huge.
3D design software lets you see your exact kitchen before you commit. You can make changes digitally that would cost thousands to change during construction. It eliminates the #1 remodeling regret. I wish I could have seen it first.
What about budget?
Be transparent about your budget from the start. Quality companies can work within various budgets by adjusting features. Maybe plywood construction but standard hardware. Maybe a simpler door style, but never compromise on structural quality.
Final checklist items.
Installation quality. Even the best cabinets fail if poorly installed. Ensure your contractor has experience with custom cabinet installation. And ask about maintenance requirements for your chosen finish.
Let's recap. Construction quality with all plywood boxes. Door construction and finish quality. Hardware including soft close features. interior organization customized to your needs, finish and color that matches your style, storage configuration for your items, manufacturer reputation and warranty, 3D design visualization, installation quality, and maintenance requirements. If you're in Fairfax, Northern Virginia, or surrounding areas planning a kitchen remodel, check our show notes for resources.
Thanks for joining us for the premiere episode of Elegant Kitchen and Bath Concepts. Next time, we'll explore countertop selection. Until then, design beautifully.